In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add product categories in Shopify. This process is essential for organizing your online store and making it easier for customers to navigate your products. Whether you're just starting out or looking to refine your store's layout, this step-by-step guide will help you create effective product collections, also known as categories, enhancing your customers' shopping experience. Let's begin by navigating to the homepage after logging into your Shopify account. From the homepage, you'll want to focus your attention on the left sidebar. To get started with organizing your products, click on the Products tab. This will bring up a list of all the products you currently have in your store. But what we're interested in today is setting up collections. So look for the Collections section and give it a click. Once you're in the Collections area, you'll notice any existing collections you might have, but to add a new one, you need to locate and select the Create Collection button. This is where you can start building logical groups for your products. Creating a collection is straightforward, but it's all about the details to ensure it's optimized for both customers and search engines. Now, onto titling your new collection. Think about how you want to categorize your products. Is it seasonal, thematic, or based on product type? Enter a clear and descriptive title that encapsulates this group of products. This title is what your customers will see, so make it engaging and reflective of what they'll find inside. Next, you'll be prompted to add a description. While this step might seem obvious, writing a thoughtful description is key. It should give potential customers insight into the products they can expect, and why this collection is worth exploring. You can also use this section for SEO by including relevant keywords that will help people find your collection via search engines. Once that's done, you'll have the option to select how products will be added to your collection. Choosing the manual option gives you complete control to curate this collection precisely how you want it. After selecting manual, you can input items into the collection by clicking on Browse. Here, take your time to browse through your product list and select the ones that fit the theme or logic of your new collection. With your choices made, click on Add to include these products into your collection. Finally, before you finish, ensure that all details are correct and then hit Save. This saves your work and makes the collection live within your Shopify store, ready for browsing. Congratulations, you've just added a new product category, making your online store more organized and customer friendly. Thank you for watching and happy selling.